Morning, trading family. Chris here from the Mind Bloom Exchange, and we are looking at Microsoft. I haven't looked at Microsoft in a little bit, so I thought, well, why not? Let's go through it. We're just jumping on the weekly. I just marked up a couple things. I marked up with this green box right here, which is a hard resistance level. What I mean by that is that this market hit this level here, retracted, hit it again, retracted, and then finally broke through. And now this level is a form of support, pushing up to new levels in this range right here. Now, what we're going to do is try to figure out where we're going from there. Now, I threw in a pitchfork as well. And you know what? We'll even, for even good measure, we'll even throw in a fib. Why not, right? It can hurt. If you have all the tools in play, it can't really hurt at all. Sometimes I even throw in a MACD, just depending on where I'm sort of situating. MACD is a delayed indicator, meaning the market moves, then it moves. So therefore, I try to use that as a double or triple or extra confirmation in that case here. But let's just jump over to daily and let's just show what is going on. Let's be a little bit tighter with that. And actually, with this right here, there is a nice, beautiful level right there that I want to appreciate. If you can't appreciate what the market gives you, then you don't deserve it. No, I'm joking. Our goal right now is to figure out where we're going, where we're heading. We have levels of 466, and then we have levels of 477 moving upwards. Now, as you can sort of tell here, we broke this wonderful area of resistance, which is now acting as support. There we go. It's a little bit darker so you can sort of see what's going on here. Now, based on that level here, we did hit a target at 452. So I'll just draw it out what's going on here. So we broke this level, hit this level, and right now we're either going, are we retesting and then pushing up to here, or are we gently climbing to there? And it's either way. 466 range is very realistic, which would mean that's a double top. And then I would be expecting some type of correction either back to the 440s or possibly deeper, depending on where we're situated and where we're going. So that's sort of what I'm seeing with the market at the moment. Nice, quick, easy, short. But overall, if we jump into 4-hour, why not? That's right now, currently, we need to break. For us to validate this market moving up at all, or let's make this a 4 so it's big and fat, we need to break that level there, the 455.34 marker. If we can't break it, then this would get validated down to these levels here of support, back to our support level, right? So why am I not surprised? Because I'm not surprised. So this is how currently at this present time, if we break the lower low of this level here, which I'll show you right now. So if we break that level, so I'll explain. So if we break this level, then the area of retest would be this area right here. And then we could see a nice drive up. However, that's scenario 1. Now, scenario 2 is we're just doing a small little retest, playing in this space, and then popping off to 462, 466.50, 466, call it 465. So it's either we're doing a correction off of this level here, or we are diving a little bit deeper into this zone here. And I'll just mark it out as the top is 443, the bottom is 438. So you have a $5 differential. Let's make a nice little box. I'm such an artist. No, not really. So there we go. There's my beautiful box, which is pretty ugly, but you get the point. It's either we hit a correction here at the 449 and drive up, or we go a bit deeper, 443, possibly 439, and then we drive up. Those are the two scenarios that I could sort of see happening right now in this market at the moment. Let me know what you think. Follow. If you want to know more, send me a DM as well. I talk a lot about wellness stuff, and I'm going to be making more videos on wellness in the future days coming, because I think wellness and trading is very important, and it goes hand in hand, not just in trading but in life. If your mental health and if your wellness is not in check, then you are not going to be the best version of yourself, which then will affect every area of your life, relationships, career, goals, etc. So any questions, send me a message. What do you think of my my mock-up? My goal is to try to keep getting better and better. I am a full-time trader. My voice is going, but overall, I've done trading from Forex all the way over to stocks, now crypto, and in everything in between, Dow 100, US 50, I believe. And so, like I said, everything I've done and everything I'm doing, and I take my strategies that I use, and it works on every frame. It works on everything, really. So let me know what you think. If this added value, awesome. If it didn't, let me know why. And I want to get better and be as transparent and as honest as I possibly can. No bullshit. I just want to see people win in this trading game, where the house generally kicks our ass. So that's how life is, just like the casino. So I really want us to have a strategy that works, and it's not just about making tons of money, but it's having a high quality life, that being around great people and achieving the goals and dreams, whatever that you set aside for yourself. Thank you so much for the time listening to this and watching this video. I'm going to throw down NVIDIA and Tesla in a second, and then we will jump over and do that right away.